Pancras, Sheffield. Edinburgh, Plymouth, 2 4-car voyages. I haven't felt this bridge shake like that before. Wolverhampton Steel Terminal to Immingham sorting sidings. Well, that were wrong. Real-time trains for you. That was like Appleford to Milford for me. That should have already gone through. Going for real-time trains, but that tells you everything, doesn't it? Sheffield Pancras. Edinburgh Plymouth. This is a Class 43 HST on a Plymouth to Glasgow service, currently running 24 minutes late as it passes South Wingfield station. Reading to Newcastle, peak time, a 4-car train. About the old days when there were 9 to 11 coaches. This is a West Coast Railway service from Grantham to Nottingham via Newark, Wakesop, Gainsborough, Wakesop, Sheffield, Derby. That'll most probably get looped at Broadholm north of Belper because of following cross-country service. Meridian passing the soon-to-be opened South Wingfield railway station, but not to passenger use. Should be late summer, probably end of August sometime. This is a Wolverhampton Steel Terminal to Immingham sorting sidings. Having arrived just north of Belper, Broadholm Loop, 15 minutes early. It was looped for a few passing trains and left a minute late. This Meridian heads north to Sheffield, 3 minutes late. It's about to pass South Wingfield railway station now. For anybody who wants to come in the coming months when it opens, there's not much parking at all. This Meridian lost 5 minutes between Derby and Duffield, a journey that should have only took 4.